Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make some really cute home decor using the Cricut Joy and the Cricut Easy Press. If you have never heard of Cricut before, then where you been? Cricut offers cutting, writing, and now heat press machines to make it easy for you to personalize almost anything. All of their machines also come with access to the Cricut Design Space. In the Design Space, you'll have thousands of photos and templates and fonts to choose from to personalize your project. All right, so let's get cracking. So the first thing that I'm going to personalize is this cute little ceramic vase that I found at Michael's. So I'm opening up the Design Space, and because it's a plant stand, I just wanted to find like some leaves or vines or something to go around it. So I found this cute little heart vine, it looks like to me, and I thought that would be really cute. So I'm just going to input this into my canvas, and then I just made multiple of these because I thought it might look cute if they were all scattered like all over the pot. But you'll see in the end, I chose to just make one line around and it was still really cute. So yeah, designing in the Design Space is really easy. You have measurements on the side so you can see how large your image is. And of course, you would just measure whatever you're going to put it on to make sure that it is going to fit. But other than that, it's pretty easy, you guys. So I just plop this in and then we're going to print it right on out. So the Cricut Joy, as you can see, it cuts vinyl and then all different types of vinyl. So this is just Cricut Smart Vinyl, but it also cuts like flock vinyl, which you'll see I'm going to use, and then glitter vinyl. Like the possibilities are endless. And y'all, Cricut has a variety of machines to choose from, but let me tell y'all, this Joy is the bomb. Because it's small and compact, you can easily pick it up and take it on the go with you. It can complete a project in 15 minutes or less. I mean, this is a DIYer's dream. It is a great start to starting a business, or if you just want to personalize things for fun. If you decide to purchase one of these machines, you are making a great investment, because once you do so many projects, and let's say you choose to have a business, this machine is going to pay for itself. And not only that, the tools that Cricut gives just allows you to grow so your business can grow with you. So right now you might start just cutting easy vinyl, but like I said, just so many options that they have. You can have a personalization business beyond belief. But here's the pot, really cute. And then all I did was cut the designs out and then just begin to place them how I wanted them to lay on the pot. So once you get it on your project, then you do the same thing again. Just push it down to make sure that it is adhered to your project surface. And then you peel off the transfer tape. And it is that easy. And I thought this looked really cute. So then I just went ahead and put the rest of the design straight around, all the way around the vase. And I thought this turned out really cute. It's really simple, but I like simplicity. Everything doesn't have to be overdone. This is just cute and simple to me. And then of course, once you add a little flower in there, cute, super cute. All right, y'all, so this next project is my favorite. So I grabbed a cutting board from Ross, I believe, and I made a stencil with the Cricut. So I made a stencil with the initial of our last name, and then also our last name and the day that Antonio and I were married. And then I picked this up from Amazon. This is actually a scorch pen, and all you do is once you have your stencil placed, you're just going to shake the pen up, and then we're just going to color in our design. All right, and so once the design is all colored in, of course, we have to take off the vinyl again. So we're just going to peel it away and use our little tool to weed it out of some of those smaller areas. And now the fun part. So when you have all the vinyl off, you're going to take a heat gun or a blow dryer, whatever you may have. I have this heat gun here. I'm going to put my setting on high, and then you just put it over the design everywhere where you filled it in with that scorch pen, and it is going to start to burn. You guys, this is called wood burning, and oh my goodness, I just think this looks so good, and it's just so easy and simple to do. Can y'all imagine giving this to somebody like when they buy a house or as a wedding gift or whatever? I think this is the perfect wedding gift or the perfect housewarming gift. I love it so much. Look at that, y'all. That looks so good. Oh my God. Y'all excited right now, just like I'm excited, because that looks so good. I love this. I absolutely love this. And it is burnt. It's like burnt on to the cutting board. So yeah, it is not going anywhere. This is super cute and super easy to do as long as you have some type of stencil, or of course the Cricut to make a stencil. So yeah, I love this one. I love this one. This one was my favorite. All right, and for my next project, I figured spring is coming up and a spring pillow would be really cute. So I made this design that says Fresh Flower Market. I thought this would look so good on a pillow. So then once I made my design, I went ahead and I got these canvas pillow covers from Amazon. This is an 18-inch by 18-inch. I really like it. It's thick and it has a zipper on it as well. So then I began printing out or cutting out my design. So for this one, I used the flock vinyl that I was telling you about. So not only does the Cricut cut like regular flat vinyl, it also cuts flock vinyl. And flock vinyl, if you don't know, it's the one that is kind of raised. It feels like velvet, so it has texture to it. It's not flat like plastic. It actually feels like velvet. So once I got it all printed out, I put it on my covering, and then I got my easy press and set it to the proper settings. As you can see, it is really easy to operate. You just, plus or minus your temperature and how long you want it to set for. And then the easy press also, you get this mat here for your project, so whenever you're pressing, it presses out evenly. But yeah, so once I made sure that was in line and in place like I wanted it, then I went ahead and covered it. This is just like a parchment paper that you put on just to make sure that your project doesn't burn. It's just an extra step. And then you just put the easy press on top and you make sure that it sits on there for 40 seconds. Now, because my project was a little bit larger than the easy press, I just had to make sure that I went around the full project and make sure that it all received heat. So once I was all done pressing, I just removed this, and you guys, this one turned out so good too. This one actually turned out better than I expected. I really like this one a lot as well. All right, so then the last project I want to show you. So Cricut is the bomb, y'all. So they even have ink that can be infused into project. So they have paper that it is able to transfer the ink. So these are actual coasters that you can get from Cricut. Cricut makes coasters, and I made a design that says "Wine Not." I thought that was cute. It was actually one that they had available inside your project maker. So yeah, I thought that was really cute. So again, you do the same thing. You just use the heat press, the easy press, to apply heat to it, and you put it right on the coaster, and then it transfers the ink from the paper onto the coaster. How cool. All right, so this is my first time using the ink infused one. So as you can see, I did not think that I didn't think about the back of my coaster was white, and some of the flowers were white, so my wording does not show up very well on this one. So I tried it again, and instead of using the one with the white flowers on it, I just went ahead and used one that was a solid color. So whenever I pressed this one out, you could see the wording perfectly. Oh, okay. It shifted on me, so I should have taped it down, but now you can see it says, whoa, Wine Not. So I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching, and because you guys have stuck around to the end of the video, I want to give away something. So I bought an extra cutting board, and I would love to give it to one of you. I want to personalize it with your names just like I did mine. So if you would like the cutting board, then all you have to do is give this video a thumbs up, and then leave, what should I make y'all leave in the comments? Welcome spring, because I am ready for spring. I'm ready for the sun to come back out. I'm ready to get back out and start traveling again, please. So if you are interested in the cutting board, if you would like a chance to win it, then just say welcome spring in the comment section below, and then I will contact you if you are the winner, and then we'll talk about what you would like to have on your cutting board. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you again to Cricut for sponsoring this video. You guys get to making stuff. I'm telling you, this is awesome. If you guys are thinking about even having a business, like all of the business ideas that I thought about, you can just personalize stuff for people all day long. But this is just an awesome tool to have. I can't wait for people's birthdays and stuff, because I'm about to be personalizing everything. But again, I appreciate you guys so much, and I will see you on the next video.